Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Miss Nainun Nahar, Assistant Teacher, Bunarinagar Pilot Girls High School, Faridpur, Pabna. Hello student, how are you? I hope you are well and passing your days. Stay at home safety. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know you are passing through pushing time and the world is facing a great disaster was by COVID-19 coronavirus. Almost all the developed countries of their world are affected by it. You have failed to prove to situation using all their modern abilities of medical science, and our country are also affected by it. Many people have already lost their life and many are being affected every day. Considering the situation and also considering the safety of your learners, government has closed all the education of institution. So we are away from our regular classroom activities for a long time. As a result, the students are lagging behind is total shutdown. Condition cannot be continued for a long time. So, considering the fact of government has taken a decision to run online classroom program. As a part of their program, I am here. Today, I will take a class English first paper for class 10. So, dear student, get ready with your textbook, notebook and pen. Let's start the class. At first, I would like to welcome you to my class. Dear student, look at the pictures. What do you see in the picture? Can you tell me the name of the picture? Yes, I think all of you are familiar it. This is a memorable and this is the Central Shohid Minar. It's a memorial which was built to bear the memory, the language of martyrs of 1952. Can you relate the picture with any movement of Bangladesh? Yes, I think you can relate the picture. The picture is related to our language movement. What was outcome of language movement? The ultimate outcome of language movement is that we got the International Mother Language Day. So, dear student, today we are going to learn about International Mother Language Day. Our today's lesson, International Mother Language Day. So, dear student, open your textbook and Unit 3, Lesson 3. Now, I will read the text, but you know, if every text we get some new vocabulary. Now, I would like to introduce some words with it. The first one, observe. What the meaning of the words observe? Look at the picture and try to guess the meaning seen in the picture. Here in the picture, we can see a lot of people there rejoice. I have there celebrating something. So, what the meaning of the observe? Yes, observe means celebrate. We observe Pohela Boishakh every year. We observe our Independence Day 26 March every year. We observe our Victory Day 16 December every year. The next one, tribute. What the meaning of the word tribute? Look at the picture and try to guess the meaning of the word tribute. Here in the picture we can see that President and the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Here paying tribute to the language of martyr 1952 by offering flowers. So, what the meaning of the word tribute? Tribute means homage, honor. To show respect, we pay tribute to the martyr of what or of independence. Martyrs. What is meaning of the word martyrs? Look at the picture. This is the picture of language martyrs. Here in the picture we can see the language martyrs. So what the meaning of the word martyrs? Martyrs means persons who sacrifice their lives for their nation or religions. Or martyrs means person who lay down their lives, establish their religious and political build their god martyrs. Next one, gathering. What is the meaning of gathering? There is another picture for you. Look at the picture and try to guess means of the word gathering. Here is the picture. We see gathering of a large number of people. So the word gathering means assembly or crowd. The next one, rally. What the meaning of the word rally? Look at the picture and try to guess the picture, and this is the rally. A rally of many people. People all of class and age are going to Central Shahid Minar to pray their homage to the language martyrs. Rally means procession or parade. Next one, kindly. What is the means of kindly? Look at the picture and try to guess the meaning. Kindly. I see in the picture. There in the picture we can see something which is burning, and we can also see brave. Let's see the meaning. Ignite. Set fire to. Inflame. Okay, dear student. Now you have to make sentence using the following words, and the words are observe, tribute, martyrs, gathering, rally, kindly. I think you will be able to write sentence using the word, and you have to use your own words to write down the sentence. Now I will read the text and you will follow me and try to guess the meaning. After reading the text, you have to answer some question. So you have to follow the reading very careful. 21st February is memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. The day is national holiday. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language right is known as the language movement. So there is a student, what is 21st February? You know the other names of 21st February is International Mother Language Day, and it's a memorable day for us. Next, the seat of the language movement was shown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protests continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sort of public meeting and rallies to stop it. The students of Dhaka University defeated the law of brought out a peaceful protest procession on 21st February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkot, Shofiur and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. This kindled the spark of independence movement of Bangladesh. Okay, dear student, we have to complete the chart. There are two parts of the chart. At the left side, time in is mentioned and you have to complete the right side, meanings what happening in that year. The first one is 1947. You have to complete the right side with the happening that happened in 1947. You know, Pakistan became independent after a long experience of British follow of about 200 years. So, 1947 is a remarkable year for us because Pakistan became independent in 1947. Then we are also a part of Pakistan. Then our country was known as is Pakistan. The second one, 1948. What happened in 1948? You know, just after the part of Pakistan given Governor General of Pakistan declared at the public meeting of East Dhaka that Urdu would be the only official language of Pakistan, and he declared it on 21st March 1948, and this as the happening in 1948. Third one, 1952. What happened 1952? You know the language movement took place in 1952. This as the happening of 1952. Next, there is another activity for you. You have to match the word with their meaning. There are at the left side some rules and right side the meaning of the words given. So, their students read the words very carefully. Match the words with their. At words given at the left side, first on the tribute and their meaning given right side reading. First one tribute, second one climax, third one outlaw, fourth one defy, fifth one provoke, sixth one relate, seventh one momentum. Right side, first one to catch or to stimulate, second one to refuse to obey, third one to give in, fourth one the ability to keep increasing or developing, fifth one an act to show respect or admiration, sixth one the most exciting paint in time, seventh one to ban. Now their students try to match the word with their which one is appropriate meaning. You have to match this. Try you yourself. I think you will be add a match the word. I have also appropriate the answer for you. Now I will provide it and you will have to match the word with their tribute. What the meaning is tribute. Defy, to refuse to obey. Provoke, to catch or to stimulate. Relent, to give in. Momentum, the ability to keep increasing or developing. Next, there are students, you have to write answer of the question. At first, we have to write down the question in your notebook and then we have to try to write down the answer of this question. Now, I am telling the question for your understanding. Why do we observe 21st February as the International Mother Language Day? We observe 21st February as the International Mother Language Day to pay respect, to pay homage to the martyrs who laid down their life. Honoring the history of our language movement, the UNESCO has proclaimed our February 21st as the International Mother Language Day in 1999. So, we observe 21st February as International Mother Language Day. Second question. What happened when Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan? When Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan, there reached a storm of protest in East Pakistan. It continued non-stop. The government banned all type of public meetings. Third question. The seed of independence was shown on 21st February 1952. Do you agree with this moment? Why? Yes, I agree. It is because on this day, by protesting the one-side decision of then government of Pakistan, the people of East Pakistan understood how to struggle against illegal decision and oppression. So, the people of East Pakistan dreamed of being free from West Pakistan. Now, here is another activity for you. There is a student, you have to fill in the blanks using appropriate words. Now, I am reading the text and you will follow me and try to fill in the blanks with appropriate words. 21st February is a red letter day in our dash history. Every year we dash the day as the International Mother Language Day. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who sacrificed their lives to dash Bangla as a state language. In fact, the dash of language movement was shown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah dash that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. There is a student. Read the text very carefully and write down the answer in your notebook. And I will also provide the answer. I think you have done it. Now match the answer. First one. 21st February is a red letter day in our national history. Every year we observe or celebrate the day as the International Mother Language Day. On this day, we pay tribute to the martyrs who sacrificed their lives to establish Bangla as a state language. In fact, the seed of language movement was shown on 21st March 1948 when Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. I think you have written the right answer of this question. Now, dear student, I would like to give you a homework. You have to write in a paragraph. Write a paragraph on International Mother Language Day in around 115 words. You have to write in your paragraph as your homework, and topics is International Mother Language Day. So, dear student, I have come almost towards the end of the class. Thank you for attending my class. All the best. Stay home, stay safe.